This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine red color, only way. Use red grape skins during fermentation to extract pigments by crushing and fermenting skins with juice. Start with ripe, healthy red grapes, adjust crushing to increase skin contact, and monitor temperature to favor color extraction. Press when color and tannins balance for your taste, then proceed to aging in appropriate vessels to stabilize the hue and flavor. Choosing the right grapes is the foundation for lasting red color in wine, so pick varieties high in skin pigments and ripe for balance. Inspect bunches for health and uniform ripeness, and remove any damaged fruit that could introduce off flavors. Consider how the grape's natural tannin and pigment levels will pair with your fermentation plan to produce the desired hue, structure, and mouthfeel. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and share with friends who love winemaking. Quick recommendation: the bottle seen here is the Eau à la water bottle, perfect for staying hydrated while working through long fermentations or cellar tasks. It's a handy companion that makes cleanup and breaks easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. During fermentation, control is your friend. Manage temperature and skin contact to coax color out without extracting harsh tannins. Gentle crushing and regular punch downs or pump overs help keep skins immersed and pigment extraction even across the batch. Monitor color development daily and taste for tannin balance, then decide when to press based on visual and sensory cues to achieve the hue you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.